My 4-ingredient, no-knead, no-effort baguettes are crispy and so easy you can make them with your eyes closed. And all you're going to do is mix in the dry ingredients, add in the warm water, mix until you have a tacky dough. Cover it and just let it triple in size. Once tripled, flour the counter, pour out the dough, and then flour the top of the dough. Divide the dough into 2 equal pieces, shape each one into a log, and then twist it. Now you're going to preheat the oven and then add the baguettes in a preheated oven and then throw an ice cube at the bottom of the oven. Bake until golden and crusty and follow for more. 2-ingredient, zero-carb cloud bread that resembles Basque cheesecake. Let's go. To a bowl or stand mixer, add water and egg white powder. Egg white powder are just dried egg whites. Whip it until stiff peaks, add in the Greek yogurt and fold it in. Pour into a lined loaf pan, bake, enjoy, and don't forget to follow me for more. This is the healthiest no-knead, no-effort, few-ingredient sandwich bread. Let's go. Separate the egg yolks from the whites. Mix in those egg whites until they're nice and foamy. Set them aside. To the yolks, add the oil, apple cider vinegar, give it a mix. Add the dry ingredients, mix again. Fold in those egg whites and mix really well. Pour it into a lined loaf pan. Bake, enjoy, and follow for more. No-knead, no-effort, 3-ingredient bread. Let's go. Add the dry ingredients, give it a stir, add the warm water, and stir again until a tacky dough. Cover it, let it rise for a minimum of 5 hours. Flour the counter, pour out the dough, flour it on top, and shape it. No kneading. Put it in a lined baking dish, lid on, pop it in the oven, turn the oven on, and bake covered for 30 minutes and uncovered for another 30. Follow for more. On Sundays, we make my 5-ingredient, no-knead, no-effort bread. Let's go. In a bowl, add the first 3 ingredients and let that activate. If this doesn't happen, start that step all over. This is the gluten-free flour I'm using. I'm adding it to my bowl with salt and giving it a stir. Gradually add in your liquid until a thick, sticky dough. Cover and let it rest at room temperature for 5 hours. Flour your counter, pour out your dough, flour the top of the dough, no kneading, just shape it. Add it to any baking dish lined with parchment paper, put it in the oven, and then turn the oven on. Bake covered for 40 minutes and uncovered for 30. Enjoy and follow for more. This is my no-knead, no-effort 4-ingredient cheddar bread. Add the dry ingredients to a bowl, stir, add in the warm water, stir again until a tacky dough. Add in that grated cheddar, fold it in, and let this rest for a minimum of 5 hours. After 5 hours, flour the counter, pour out the dough, flour the top of the dough, and just shape it, no kneading. Transfer into a lined baking dish and cover with a lid. Place it in the oven, turn the oven on, bake covered for 30 minutes and uncovered for 30. Follow for more. This is my no-knead, no-effort olive bread. Let's go. Start by adding the dry ingredients to a bowl, give it a stir, add the warm water, mix it until a tacky dough. Add in the olives and fold them in. Cover and let it rest for a minimum of 5 hours. After 5 hours, flour the counter, pour out the dough, flour the top, and just shape it, no kneading. Transfer into a lined baking dish. Put the lid on, put it in the oven, turn the oven on, and start the timer right away. We bake for 30 minutes covered and 30 uncovered. Enjoy and follow for more. This is my 5-ingredient, no-knead, no-effort, crispy garlic confit bread. To a ramekin, add the whole peeled garlic, olive oil on top, and bake until soft and lightly golden. Set it aside. In a separate bowl, add the flour, salt, yeast, give it a mix, add in that whole garlic, oregano measured with your heart, and warm water. Mix again, you should have a nice tacky dough. Cover and set aside until tripled in size. Once it's tripled, flour the counter, pour out the dough, flour the top, no kneading, just shape it and move it around. Transfer it into a lined baking dish and put the lid on. Now put the bread in a cold oven, turn the oven on, and set the timer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover it and bake for another 30. In the meantime, to dip with, add our garlic-infused oil with a little balsamic. Once the bread is done, dip away and follow for more. This is my no knead, no effort, crispy 4-ingredient chocolate chip bread. If you can mix dry ingredients and then add in warm water, congratulations, you practically made bread. Give that a mix and then just let it rest for a minimum of 4 hours. Fold in those chocolate chips nice and gently, flour the counter, pour out the dough, flour the top of the dough. Don't knead it, just transfer it and bake it as per my instructions, and you would have made the crispiest no-knead chocolate chip bread.